Okay, we're going to be reassembling the Delta Contractors saw arbor now. We'll use new bearings. We place the first bearing on, and I have a pusher and an arbor press that I use to press these in. So we press that one, get it started, and you press these all the way down. Contrary to other instructions, they go all the way down on the arbor, and so the first bearing is in place. The next thing we do, we take the bearing that goes into the pulley end of the arbor housing, and we have a special pusher for that too, and we're going to press that one in using our arbor press. And we just give that a good press and seat it. So now we have the bearing in here. We have a bearing on our arbor. So the next thing we're going to do is put the two together. We have to put the spacer on the arbor, and we also want to include our wave washer. Our wave washer goes right in here. Put the arbor in the hole, into the wave washer section right there. And you see how loose this is right now. We're going to put this in the arbor press, and we're going to press from the inner race of the bearing so that we're not pressing on the outer race of the bearing. Okay, press that down to where it's solid, and when you get this solid, the spacer will be tight. There won't be any wiggling of the spacer. When you turn the spacer, it will turn the arbor. Okay, we're finished with that. Next thing we want to do is put the inner housing nut on, and again use a 7/8 inch socket for that. Get that tightened and secure. Tighten that up. It gets tightened to about 30 foot-pounds or so if you're torquing it. Then we're going to put the outer bearing race retaining ring on. Screw that down. And for this, again, I use a special spanner wrench, and put that in. And again, I tighten these a little tighter than I'm showing in the video, tighter than hand tight, but you tighten that just if you're using a screwdriver, just tap it around till it's snug. There you have a rebuilt arbor for a Delta Contractor saw.